The pace of innovation has accelerated quite dramatically over time, from decades to years to months to weeks now. I think if I have to list down some of the top innovations which has happened over the past 20 years, which has changed the way as humans and businesses we communicate, in the reverse order would be artificial intelligence. Generative AI, as has been launched in 2023 with ChatGPT and Google Bard, is probably the next big thing which has happened after internet. Most of the technologies like AI and cloud ultimately relies on the availability of a reliable and high-speed internet. So I think high-speed internet availability has also laid the foundation for most of these technologies.
We saw a potential gap in this market as there was no carrier neutrality, which led to inconsistent price, lack of innovation, and flexibility. Our vision was very clear. We wanted to be a true regional operator that can facilitate service providers, hyperscalers, and enterprise in their journey to connect into the Middle East.
Kalaam was founded 18 years ago following the liberalization of the telecom sector in Bahrain. I saw an opportunity to get into that space and offer services in the country. First product was a prepaid calling card, so we were a tiny small company, and we've progressed quite a bit since those years. Kalaam is a very niche player. We target specifically the enterprise market, the local domestic enterprise market, the regional enterprise companies that operate throughout the Gulf, and the international telecom companies who would like to have a trusted partner so that they can bring their traffic into the country and take the traffic from here to the outside world. So that is our focus. We are not in the mass retail market as the large integrated telecom companies are. We're very specific, very focused on the enterprise market and the international traffic. Bahrain is relatively a small market, and we've always had, from the very outset, from the very beginning, we had ambitions, regional ambitions to grow outside of the country. Just like the market, the telecom sector was liberalized in Bahrain, we felt that the same thing will happen to the rest of the Gulf, and we wanted to take advantage of those opportunities, the liberalization of the telecom sector. So from the very beginning, we had ambition not to be just a totally Bahrain domicile, but to be a regional player.
Kalaam's vision is to empower digital transformation for businesses by simplifying access to cutting-edge technologies and providing exceptional digital customer experience. Kalaam's ethos and values are the foundation on which Kalaam's business model is built on. We are ambitious. It is reflected in the fact that we push boundaries, we take calculated risks, and we set very high standards and goals for ourselves. At Kalaam, we believe our biggest assets are not our infrastructure or our products or our technologies. It's our people, whose dedication, whose hard work, whose commitment has made Kalaam what we are today. And it allows us to differentiate ourselves from our competition. As they say, people do business with people and people work for people. At Kalaam, we are investing into a 360-degree seamless and integrated customer platform, which will allow us to capture, analyze, and optimize all customer interactions at different touch points all across the journey of the customer, so that we can offer a seamless experience to our customer across their entire experience with Kalaam. We are also investing in cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, security, customer platform as a service, UCaaS as a service, so that our customers are able to empower themselves in their digital transformation journey, and we are able to help them automate, innovate, and optimize their experiences.
Kalaam Carrier Solutions is the wholesale arm of Kalaam Telecom Group. We are the single face for the global carrier and hyperscaler community by providing a simplified access into the MENA region. We are a leading digital transformation solutions provider, offering international bandwidth solutions, data center connectivity, managed services, and value-added services. Our network is built on a terrestrial and submarine cable system that ensures short paths transiting the Middle East, avoiding the common choke points. Some of the critical high bandwidth and latency sensitive requirements are managed by Kalaam's own terrestrial network, which is called the Kalaam Network Optical Transit, or NOT, that connects the GCC countries. This network then further expands and connects into the EIG submarine cable system that connects over 12 countries worldwide. And this unique network allows a seamless corridor between the US, Europe, Asia, through the Middle East region. We have a challenger mindset, offering a premium one-stop shop for all our carrier and content provider requirements. We continue to bring value to the market by offering reliable, consistent services, providing innovative and secured solutions. It's also paramount for us to keep our track of our high uptime and swift delivery timelines. One of our key driving forces is that we have invested in the best people who understand what it takes to deliver quality service on a global footprint with the local knowledge of the Middle East. In short, we streamline customer needs into a single unified network that avoids multiple contracts, technical integrations, and compliance challenges.
I see Kalaam to continue being a niche player, focusing on the enterprise market and international wholesale business. I see us continuing to grow regionally and continuing to be the most innovative, the most creative, the best customer service in our business.
Kalaam's expansion in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is one of the most significant strategy for Kalaam for the next 5 years. Because Saudi is one of the fastest growing economies in the region, it's the largest economy, it has a very progressive regulatory environment, has infrastructure which is growing at a rapid pace. The leadership has put a very clear 2030 vision with focus on key strategic sectors like hospitality, sports, education, technology, data center, real estate. Kalaam is also investing significantly in infrastructure so that we can bridge the Middle East and North Africa region with Europe and Asia with the best of connectivity at optimized price. We also are investing into data center, which will allow us to bring the applications and clouds closer to the customer. For Kalaam, next 5 years is going to be one of the crucial years where Kalaam can leverage its experience from the region, a player in Bahrain and Kuwait, and leverages past expertise to gain market share. Digital transformation is no more a choice for businesses to survive. It's crucial for them to be competitive, to meet the evolving digital needs of the customers, and also to unlock the potential of the new technologies. I think we have taken a big leap in digital transformation to meet our vision of giving our customers an excellent personalized customer experience. At Kalaam, we put customers' needs, satisfaction, and requirements at the forefront of all business decisions. Our people, process, systems are all geared towards providing exceptional experience to our customers.